Kezia. Today we're going to be doing a review on this beautiful wig that I have installed. This hair is from Nadula hair, and if you want to know more details about this wig, stick around. Alright, let's jump into the unboxing portion of this video. so I have a 13x4 frontal wig from Nadula hair. They are on AliExpress. All the information is going to be in the description box below. I really love this wig. It is in the straight texture. As you guys saw in the styling portion of the video, it literally took no time for me to style this wig, which is really convenient for me. Super soft. There was no smell to this wig whatsoever. I did bleach the knots on my unit. They didn't lift completely on the first go around, so I might have to bleach them again, but that's okay. I'm really in love with this hair. This is, I believe, 150 density that they sent me, and I'm pretty happy with the density. Like, it feels very thick. It's more on the natural side, but it is long, you guys. It goes all the way down to here on me. You guys, I just realized that I'm wearing my shirt inside out this whole time.
She's an icon, and she is the moment.
And I love how comfortable it is. It is a medium-sized cap and it fits me perfectly. But for me, I have no complaints about this unit. I love it. It doesn't smell, it doesn't tangle, it doesn't shed. Look at that, you guys. And there isn't a lot of gray hairs in this unit. There is some, but there's not a lot. So that's good, because sometimes they putting so many gray hairs along the side of the wigs, and it's like, it just looks like a mess. But this is perfect. The lace looks really natural on me. Now, I did apply some foundation to it because it was on the lighter side. Okay, no hairline clockage for me, please. Thank you. I really love this hair. I would definitely recommend it. This hair is from AliExpress, so that is awesome. You guys know I love AliExpress. I love when I try a new company out and it's like good hair. So if you guys have any questions for me, leave it in the comment section below. I always answer my comments. So guys, I want to thank you so much if you made it this far into the video. I really do appreciate it. It goes such a long way. So is this wig Kaviar approved? Yes, it is. I definitely think it is Kaviar approved. You should get one for yourself and try it out. Let me know what your thoughts are if you've purchased this wig before. Let's talk about it. Until next time, guys. Bye.